Marap ka, Ken. Ken.
Good day, everyone. You are now in Laos, and as the name implies, the fish on display are those that are found on the fishing platform. We would like to
Yan, ito talaga. Masagalan may kanta. Tagang.
Asis.
even though there are laws that prohibit illegal fishing, there are still people who resort to it. These are the reasons few people ever see them anymore. If ever they are seen, either as small juveniles in the wild or behind a restaurant's glass display window. This hopes that through the displays, people may better appreciate their plight and make positive
Ayun.
choices in the marine animals.
Pag sa ganan mo.
The next zone houses a tank which contains 240,000 US gallons of water and is the largest aquarium here in the ocean area. It has a depth of 3.3 meters and a surface area of